Early morning, 7:44 after eating full. I'm on my way to Quang Chi. There's a citadel there on the way to Hoi. This annoying drizzle since yesterday doesn't seem to stop. It's really annoying. I mean, I'm getting a little bit wet, not too much, but it's wet in my visor, so I cannot use it and it slows me down. That's it for now. So this destroyed building behind me is a Buddhist school that was destroyed by the bombings of the Americans, and the Vietnamese has made it a national relic, and somebody made plant store here, and that's pretty weird. And that's what's left of it, and they left it as a memory, I guess. Now if I head down this road, I will get to the Quang Chi citadel that was also bombed by the Americans and was renovated according to what I read. So let's go take a look. So this is a Quang Chi citadel. Here. This used to be a defensive administrative location for the Nguyen dynasty, 19th until the middle of the 20th century. And 1972, between 28th of June and 16th of September, 81 days, there were fierce battles between the Americans and the Vietnamese people, and the Americans dropped thousands of tons of bombs on the citadel. It was completely ruined. Here we can see, and now they try to rebuild a little bit of it, and they have memorial inside, some kind of let's check it out. So this is the gate on the other side, and it seems like the only one intact. Maybe even this was renovated. Moat is beautiful. Let's go through. So yeah, nothing is left, everything gardens, and a memorial in the center. They say 10,000 people, Vietnamese, died here, and their corpses have never been found because of all the bombs that were dropped on this place. So this is the memorial for Vietnamese soldiers. I don't think they mean the American soldiers. So flying the drone with this, although it's better than nothing, it's a lot less than desirable, because even here I fly it, I try to get it up 100 meters in the air instead of 500, which would be a perfect situation to take a nice photo from above, and it starts disconnecting. I go a little bit farther, 100 meters away, try to take the mode, disconnected, so a lot less than desirable, but since I have no phone, what can I do? still better than nothing. The motorcycle, and let's hope that my bag that I left is still there. That's every time I leave it, I'm afraid I come back and it's not there. Oh, it's still there? Oh. One of the duties of being a foreigner here, even an old ugly foreigner, it still doesn't matter, they want to take photos with me. Yep, we're taking a photo together. Chụp ảnh Nhung. Okay. Okay. Okay, one more. Here.
Này anh mày hai đứa không chụp chứ, đừng có chụp cho có trong máy á. Bọn anh lên đi. Cái đó tán qua đi. Okay.
It's passing it on the way outside of Quang Chi, but must say that this church has some pretty interesting motifs. The dragons together with the Chinese Eastern motifs together with the cross. Just thought I'll mention it. There's a chance to do something I always wanted to do. A train is coming, and I always wanted to put this camera under the on the trucks under the train. I hope it will survive it. From what I saw before, it should survive it. So yeah, let's go do it. Wow, that was nice. And the camera survived. So let's take a small detour. Get off the highway to Hoi and go see a little bit of the countryside. Here, Lang Tangyen. Really isn't anything here. Looks like a pretty shitty place. Okay, I tried. Let's go back. Let's try a detour again. Let's get off the highway and let's go here. That looks a little bit more promising. So, let's see. Nothing too special in the meantime. Just a village, a river, but no nature. Well, I mean, I'm surrounded with nature, but river on the side. But it's all with human presence. And I'm looking for nature and it doesn't lead me there. So just stopped here to look at the river. Let it go a little bit downstairs. Yeah, so let's go down those stairs and look at the river from ground level. Yep. Kind of nice. Yeah, those people are curious of what am I doing here because they don't see a foreigner. For them I'm like an alien. Now, where does that lead me? Somebody's house. I won't intrude. Okay, turn around. I know what they're doing, burning, but just say hello. Xin chào. Tôi chỉ nhìn xung quanh ở đây, lang ở đây, okay? So I needed a ranch to fix my mirror, and those nice people are here inviting me to drink. Chụp ảnh của tôi.
Chụp ảnh của tôi.
Rồi.
Bộ địa phương nói là
What do you do?
I study in the over there, overseas.
No, what are you doing here?
Yeah, I just I live here.
You live in this village?
Yeah, in this village. Yeah, I travel maybe for the 2017. United States, India, Sri Lanka, Thailand. Maybe a lot of maybe most of Asia country. I travel a lot because I am a Buddhist monk.
You're a monk?
I am a monk.
Oh.
Yeah, I travel maybe for the religion reason and
So
for the
you
study.
stay here in this chua?
Yeah, I study. This is the temple, small temple in the village.
Very nice. And
Yeah,
what can
I
you
just-
tell me about this temple?
Yeah, just this temple I have just built it for 2 years ago.
Okay.
After I travel overseas and come back to Vietnam.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe
Thank you.
I welcome you to come to the travel.
Yes. He invited me to go into the temple. Very nice.
For the atmosphere,
No,
mountains.
but what I
we-
can't get my head around is you can do half a day meditation,
Yeah,
and this is a lot of practice.
yeah, lots of practice.
Like I said, I do 10 minutes and I cannot. I do 10 minutes and
Maybe I think you don't take the time for the taking meditation.
yeah,
If you take the meditation every day, you
Yeah.
can change it. Maybe for 10 minutes, and after day maybe the 15, and after they can go
just like we're lifting weights. So
Yeah,
you
you're
start,
lifting
it's like a
weight, yeah.
muscle, right?
yeah,
That you have to practice.
yeah. For the first time maybe you're thinking, you thinking. You cannot control it.
Cannot.
Yeah, you're just thinking, and you make take you a lot of energy. But after that, the day by day, maybe you can control it. Maybe you see for the street maybe after the day by day, maybe your mind look like the street. Maybe it came down.
To calm down.
Yeah, you can calm down, and after that you can to sit in meditation a long time.
Oh,
Yeah, it's so good for you.
Good.
Just for your life, yeah. But you're thinking for your deciding everything. You can maybe to get everything the better for the deciding, and your talk to your wife, your son, and everything. You can control it.
so you say this village was poor and you came here to build a pagoda, a temple?
Yeah, it's temple and teaching everything.
You teaching the people here meditation?
Yeah, this meditation, chanting.
Chanting,
Yeah.
Buddhist chanting.
Yeah, Buddhist chanting.
That's part of meditation?
Yeah, and I sometimes I get some talk for them. Talk everything. Maybe this was I just say thank you for you. You just come here for the mistake, but I think from you and me in the past life and this life, we have some relation. You know?
We knew each other before in past life.
Yeah, in past life. So this life you can you just come here for short stuff. But I hope you have a good life, and
Thank you very much.
you just have a good, you meet a good people for travel around Vietnam,
Yeah.
and you wish for fortune in your life. Your
Thank
wife
you very
and
much.
your son.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much. It's
so
a nice thought.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Thank you. Maybe now.
Okay, so that's the end of this detour, and it turned out pretty well, didn't it? You never know what to expect, you never know who you'll meet, and it's all part of the experience. And I really enjoyed it. It was a good decision to get off, and now head off to the highway. My initial plan was to go to an insect village next to Hanoi at the beginning of my trip. Okay, so I've made it to Quang Chi. This is the insect village, and I can't see any incense. But when I got there, they were not drying any incense because the weather was not good for it. So I missed on that. But entering Hoi city, what I see on the road. So it did work out after all. Okay, this is Hoi City, and in 5 kilometers I'll be there. In the next video, day 9, I returned to Hoi City. Yeah, last time I was here was 4.5 years ago. And I tried to fly the drone above the citadel. So I was able to fly it and not get caught. After which I go to visit an Israeli friend that lives in the city. Okay, show us how you make a falafel with it. Here, nice falafel balls. If you like my videos so far and you want to see some more, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.